From a class of 32 students, 4 students are to be chosen for competition. In how many ways can this be done? The number of combinations. Therefore, solution, the number of combination is for 32 students total. We can select 4. Therefore, 32 C4. By formula, we can write it 32 factorial by 4 factorial into 32 minus 4 factorial. That is equal to 32 factorial by 4 factorial. 4 factorial. 32 minus 4, 28 factorial. We can finish this sum. Here is it. Here is it. Next question. A question paper has 2 parts, namely part A and part B. Each part contains 10 questions. Part A 10 questions, part B 10 questions. If the student has to chosen 8 from part A and 5 from part B, in how many ways can we choose the questions? Solution. By multiplication theorem. By multiplication theorem, the number of ways is equal to 8 from 10. Part A, from 10, 8 must be chosen. And part B, out of 10, 5 must be chosen. Therefore, we can here a big one. Therefore, minimize it. 10 minus 8. That is 10C. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here is 10C5. Then the value is 2 numbers. 10 into 9 by 1 into 2. Here 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers by 5 numbers, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 5 numbers. Therefore, we cancel it. 5. Here 2 into 3, 6, 2, 2. When we multiply remaining, we get 11,340 ways of selecting this question. Next example. If 4 NC2 is equal to n plus 2 C3, find n. This is the question. Solution. Given 4 NC2 is equal to n plus 2 C3. 4 is 2 numbers, n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2. This is NC2. 3 numbers, that is n plus 2, first number, less 1, that is n plus 1, less 1, n by 1 into 3 numbers, 2 into 3. We get, cancel these 2, 3 is come here, and cancel these both n. We get 12, 3 into 4, 12, 12 n minus 1 is equal to n plus 2 into n plus 1. When we multiply these two, we get 12 n minus 12. Multiply this, n squared plus 2n plus n plus 2. We get n squared. Meaning, simplify this, we get n squared minus 9n plus 14 is equal to 0. When we factorize it, 7 into 2, 14, but here minus, both are minus. Therefore, n minus 7 into n minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 7 is equal to 0, or n minus 2 is equal to 0, n is equal to 7, or n is equal to 2 answers. Next example. If n plus 2 Cn is equal to 45, find n. Solution. Given n plus 2 Cn is equal to 45. We can rewrite this as NCR is equal to this minus this. That is n plus 2 C n plus 2 minus n is equal to 45. That is n plus 2 C n minus n cancel, 2 is equal to 45. Two numbers, that is n plus 2 plus 1, n plus 1 by two numbers, 1 into 2 is equal to 45. 2 is go there. That is, when we multiply these two, we get n squared plus 3n, 2n plus 2 is equal to 90. 90 is come here. We get n squared plus 3n plus 2 minus 90 is equal to 0. N squared plus 3n minus 88 is equal to 0. When we factorize it, we get what is 11 into 8. 11 into 8, it is minus 88 here. Then here plus, big one is plus, 8 is minus. Therefore, n plus 11 into n minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, n plus 11 is equal to 0, or n minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 11, or n is equal to plus 8. Minus is not valid, and plus is only. Therefore, n is equal to 8 only is the answer.